What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, the YouTuber to invest to rest, and in today's video I'm gonna be giving you guys here the ultimate beginner's guide to earning passive income on your crypto. I'm gonna be showing you guys all the apps that I particularly use, my favorite apps, and I just want to save you guys a lot of time on choosing the right exchanges, showing you guys here the promotions once you guys sign up, and I'll be leaving all my links in the description below, so if you guys sign up using those links you'll get the promotion. And I'm gonna get started here with this app called Voyager. Now Voyager is this crypto exchange app where you can buy all these cryptos. As you guys can see right here, they have a huge variety. So the promotion for Voyager is that once you guys sign up, and if you use my link, you'll get $25 free worth of Bitcoin once you guys trade up to $100. I don't think there's a time limit on that, but once you guys trade up to $100, you get $25 free worth of Bitcoin that you could sell in the future, or you could keep and hold and earn interest on. And I want to talk about earning passive income with crypto on this app, right? Because that's the theme of this video. So Voyager, the reason why I like Voyager is because they have amazing rates. Okay, their rates are super high compared to many other ones out there. And I'm gonna be showing you guys here. If you go right here on the top, and then you click on crypto interest, and then right here it shows you the interest rates for that month. Now if you do follow them on Instagram or things like that, they actually show you ahead of time for the next month, because it's always changing. For each month the interest changes. Now Voyager, they pay you monthly, so based on the interest rate they'll pay you that in that crypto, they pay you in that crypto monthly. So for example, if you're holding Bitcoin for them, you can earn 5.75% interest on that Bitcoin that they'll pay you out on that month. Now one thing about Voyager that's kind of a con and kind of annoying, because all the other apps out there that I'll be showing you guys here in this video too, they don't really require a minimum to earn interest, but Voyager does. It's not that much of a big deal because it's not a crazy amount that you need. So for example here, you need 100 ADA to earn that 5.25% interest of ADA, which is pretty good for ADA for Cardano, and you need 100, which at the moment ADA is about $1. But as you guys can see, they have a minimum for all of these coins right here. It's great that they have all this variety. And let's say you wanted to earn passive income on Bitcoin, you'll need 0.01 Bitcoin. Let's see how much that is. We can actually check right here. Click on it. You're gonna click buy. All right, let's go to limit. So it's 0.1. So you go right here. At the moment, it's $308 worth of Bitcoin. So you can start earning that 5.25%. So that's the only con. It's not that much of a big deal, because if you had that much, and you could definitely daily cost average into it as well. You're moving on to the next app right here. We got Gemini. I'm gonna be showing you guys here why I love Gemini. Gemini is actually one of my favorite ones, and I think it's very underrated, because a lot of people look at the rates and they see that it's small, but they don't understand that Gemini is different because they pay you daily. So it compounds daily. So every day you have a little bit more of crypto, you know, every single day, even though it might not be a lot, right? It's compounding daily, which is pretty good. But what I love too is that if you're a Dogecoin fan, like me, they have the highest APY for Dogecoin, which is 7.4, as you guys can see right here, for Dogecoin. So if you like Dogecoin, Gemini is probably the best app for you to start buying or start transferring your Dogecoin to. They also have a 7.4 APY on the Gemini dollar, which is a stable coin. They also have Chainlink at 4.08. They have Polygon. They have a really good variety here as well. And you might be thinking, why is their APY, why are the rates low compared to Voyager? For example, Bitcoin's at 2.05. It's probably mainly because they pay you out daily. And Gemini makes it very user friendly to earn here. You just go to right here to portfolio, you buy what you like, right? Then you click on it and you press earn, and then you swipe, and it should go to your earning that you'll get paid daily based on that APY. So for example here, I'm holding about $2,000 worth of Gemini dollar coin. So let's do the math here. I want to show you guys here, giving you guys an idea how much I would get at 7.4. So I got about $2,000, right? So what we're gonna do is $2,000 times 0.074, right, is gonna be 148 yearly. So this is how much you get yearly. So we're gonna divide that by 12 months. So divided by 12, that's how much you'll get in a month. Now depending on that month, it might have 30 days or 31 days. Let's do 30 days. Divided by 30, and you'll get 41 cents a day. And since it's a stable coin, it's going to be exactly this much daily, 41 cents at this price, which I think is pretty good because every single day I'm going to get 41 cents, right? I don't have to wait till the end of the month to get that $12 or whatever. I'm getting a little bit in a comp. Every day I got a little bit more and more, and it gets bigger and bigger. That's why I think Gemini is a great app to start earning passive income on. Now let's say here, for example, I got Dogecoin as well. And what I love about Dogecoin and these other crypto apps here is that these are volatile. So for example, if Dogecoin one day goes to $1, I would have about 4,500 Dogecoin. And if the APY stays at that rate, which hopefully it does, we're going to put here 4,500 times 0.074 divided by 12. Then we divide that by 30 days. It's going to be 92 cents, almost $1 a day, right? Another cool thing to know about the Gemini is that the fact that you can leave it in your stable coin and earn the APY in the stable coin, and then whenever you want to buy something, you just take it out. There's no lock period, so there's no 7-day lock or anything like that. You just go to it, you press redeem, and then you take it out, and you could buy any other crypto out there that you could possibly get. So the promotion on Gemini is if you guys use my link in the description below, you'll get $10 free worth of Bitcoin once you guys trade up to $100. Just similar to Voyager, the only difference is that you get $10 free worth of Bitcoin. So moving on to the next one here is Celsius. And Celsius is one of my favorite ones. It's definitely a popular one that's been growing rapidly in the last couple months. But I'm going to show you guys here why I loved Celsius. And I'm going to start off by saying that the promotions are awesome. The promotion at the moment is that you get $40 worth of Bitcoin. Once you guys use my link in the description below and you guys sign up, and you guys get $40, but you guys got to transfer over $400 worth of any crypto. And you basically got to maintain that $400 worth of crypto for about a month because you get it in about a month, the $40. So it's not that bad, but $40 is really good. But the best part is their interest rates. Their interest rates are really, really good. And I'm going to show you guys them here. And compared to BlockFi and some other apps out there, they are the top ones in my opinion. So let's look at Ethereum right here. They give you 5.35% APY for Ethereum if you own 100 and less. Now if you have 100 and more, the rest, so this is how it works. For that 100 Ethereum, you're still going to get that 5.35, but for the rest, it's going to be 505. For Bitcoin, Bitcoin is actually one of the highest ones up there. It's at 6.2% at the moment. But it's only for up to 1 Bitcoin. So for that 1 Bitcoin, you're always going to get that 6.2. Now for the rest, let's say you own 3 Bitcoin. For the other 2, you're only going to get 3.51, which isn't that bad. And you're still earning 6.2 on the other Bitcoin. So these rates are really, really good in my opinion compared to the other ones. They're very competitive. And as you guys can see right here, they have a bunch of others as well. They have the BAT token, Bitcoin Cash. They even have BNB Binance coin here at 6.71, which is pretty good. They have the Gemini dollar. They actually have the Gemini dollar higher than on the Gemini app at 8.88, which is crazy. And then here, one of my favorite ones is Polygon. This is the best app to hold your Polygon because their APY on Polygon is huge at 10.51. I think before it was around 14 or 15 before, but now it dropped to 10.51, but it's still very high, guys, for Polygon. So looking through them here, they have a lot here. The Tether, they have 8.88, which is crazy. And yeah, they just have a great variety here of cryptos that you guys can literally earn passive income. And the way they pay it is weekly. So instead of monthly like Voyager or even daily like Gemini, they pay it weekly. I think it's every Monday that you get paid. So the way you would calculate that is basically, let's say you got $2,000 worth of Ethereum. You do times 0.0535. That's how much you get yearly. You divide it by 12, $8.91. Then you divide by how many weeks you have in that month. Let's say you got 3 weeks. Divide by 3. So you get $2.97 each week. Now, of course, depends on the price of Ethereum. If you don't want to sell your crypto, you can actually borrow against it and you won't get taxed for that, which is awesome. I'll probably make a video of that in the future. All right, guys, so that was Celsius. And moving on to my last two here, these two are on a different category because they're wallets and they're more secure because you get control of your private keys. So they're way more secure than the other ones. For these two, you can stake on them. So we're going to start here with Atomic Wallet. And Atomic Wallet, if you go over here to all the way to the right, these are all the ones they can stake on Atomic Wallet, which is a pretty good variety here. As you guys can see, they have Solana at 7%, Zilliqa, which is one of my favorite ones, at 13%. Cardano at 5%. They have their own token, Atomic Wallet token, 20%. Tron at 5%. And VeChain, they also got VeChain, which you can earn VeThor. So they do have staking here on Atomic Wallet. It's very simple to stake. You just go on it and then you just press on your token, you press stake, and you can start staking. So if you guys like these cryptos here, if you guys got any of them, you can definitely check out Atomic Wallet. And moving on to the last one here, which is similar to Atomic Wallet because it's also a wallet, is Exodus. And let me just show you guys here the ones that Exodus supports staking for. They have 4.91 APY in a Cardano. They have Solana 604. They have VeChain at 1.24, very similar to Atomic Wallet. They have Atom at 8.95, XTZ. And similar to Atomic Wallet, they give you your private keys, so it's very secure as well, and you're staking your coins while having your private keys. So yeah guys, that was it. That was a brief video on a beginner's guide to earning passive income on your crypto. I just try to make it very simple and show you guys here my favorite apps that I particularly like to use. I did a lot of research and I just like these because one, the rates are pretty good. They're up there, competitive. They're very user friendly and they're also very safe and trusted as well. Gemini, Celsius, these are all trusted, really well exchanges. They're not like some shady exchange from some foreign country or something like that. So all the links are in the description below so you guys can check it out. And if you guys want to join a free crypto group, check out my Facebook group, Reddit group, and my Patreon as well. Thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.